Hi everyone, we are excited to talk about the new proposed Cyprus crypto tax legislation, which will hopefully be applicable in 2026. So our parliament is against 6 bills, and one of these bills includes the cryptocurrency taxation here in Cyprus. I know this is something that was bothering everyone because the current taxation was high. If you were dealing with cryptos, trading cryptos as an individual, it could reach up to 35%, and of course, as a corporate at 12.5%, subject to dividend tax if you were local and domicile. So the exciting news are the following. Cyprus is suggesting on taxing cryptocurrencies at only 8%. That is for physical and legal persons. So it's going to be a flat rate, which makes sense. It's easy for everyone, 8%. Important notes, losses carried forward or future losses or whatever, this will not be calculated in the taxation computation. Each year you will be taxed at a flat rate 8% if you have profits, and that it is. So a bit different from our routine general law of corporate tax, but it's fine, it's simple, and it's something that we like. So what is subject to Cyprus crypto tax? Trading, disposals, swaps, and of course, conversion into fiat. So swapping one coin to another, swapping one crypto to another is subject to Cyprus crypto tax. And this is a big and main issue because we used to have unrealized gains and profits which were not taxable. Now, with the introduction of this law, when you're converting something into something else and it increases in value, you could be subject to tax. Of course, you will also be subject to crypto tax when you convert your cryptos into fiat, whether this is to purchase a car, whether to use a card for your day-to-day expenses, or even to buy properties. So, swapping between assets, converting into fiat, and of course, making sales, direct sales of your cryptos, these are taxed under the new and suggested, of course, because it hasn't passed through the parliament, Cyprus crypto tax at 8%. Exceptions, whatever else is not falling under these categories, it will be taxed under the normal rates, of course, which is for individuals up to 35% and for companies 12.5%. There is a specific mention in the tax law which mentions that if you're mining coins, of course, you will not take advantage of this 8% new revised tax that affects the rest of the cryptos, but you will be taxed under the normal 12.5% or, of course, the 35%, up to 35% because it is scaled if you are mining as an individual. We are waiting for a detailed guide on this Cyprus crypto tax, new rates and legislation, because there are some matters that needs to be discussed. I'm not going to bore you with this, but we need to be precise and know exactly how each transaction will be taxed, especially with regards to realized and unrealized gains, which I think they will be abolished. And lastly, this tax will be applicable on the 1st of January 2026, assuming that our parliament will vote it before the year end. So, great news, everyone. Finally, Cyprus is becoming competitive. It's going to be more competitive than other jurisdictions, including Dubai, including many other. I've made several articles, of course, and many videos about Cyprus crypto tax. Feel free to check our website, cyprusaccountants.com.cy. Go to the Knowledge Hub, where we analyze in detail the entire 2026 suggested tax reform. And of course, we have a specific section about the cryptocurrencies. I'm going to put the links below. Great news for Cyprus, to the right direction. We salute such changes and we wait for more similar good news to arrive from our government. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.